Hi guys, this is Jerry aka Bungol behind the Creative World page. I am also the creator of this new program. Now in this video, I will show you the feature of my program. Now in the first tab, you can see there three buttons: data input, unit cost, and summary. Okay, in data inputs you have you have to put the data for the foundations, your concrete slab, the beams, the columns, staircase, door, windows, room dimensions, the walls, the ceiling. So you have to input the information from the tiles and paints, plumbing, electrical, roofing, and of course carpentry. And your unit cost, all over I have already the cost, latest cost, but it depends on the local markets in your place. So you can edit this one and you can change the cost. For example, the gravel, the sand, whatever, the plywood, the frames, the steel bars. Okay. And in the summary tab, you have the summary of the artworks, you have the summary of the concrete, you have the summary of the rebars, masonry, you have the summary of formworks, scaffoldings, and now we have the bill, finally the bill of materials, and you have also the Gantt chart. Okay, now let's go back to the input. In data input, for example foundation, you click foundation, just put your dimensions of the footing. This one is editable, whatever designate his name in your project, if one, whatever you name them. Just put the length of height, the thickness of the foundation, and the actual excavation depth, and the gravel bed if there's any, and you are done. Change also annual footing. Take the length, the width, and the thickness, the excavation, after excavation, and gravel bed thickness. Okay. Next is the concrete slab. Slab on grade is UG, whatever your name in your project. Just put the length and the width and the thickness. And you have the gravel bedding also, the thickness, just put it here. Make the suspended slab. Like for example the first floor, second floor, third floor, whatever. You can put here, this one is 2, 2 is 1, whatever you need. Put here the length, the width, and the same also as the thickness. Then we go to the beams, the same. Whatever you name to your beams, you take the length, the width, and the depth. You have here the diagram, you have here the quantity, then that's all. Then you go to the columns. Columns for rectangular and square columns, you take the height, the width, or the expositional dimensions, and you have it. Then you have there the circular columns. Just take the height, how many pieces, and the diameter, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, whatever. Okay. Then go to the staircase. If you have a staircase, just take the width, here the width, and the riser 175. What is the height of the steps, and the run, the width, the run of the steps, 30, and how many steps. Just put down here, and we go to the landing. Take the length, the width, and the thickness of your concrete. Then go back to doors and windows. Okay, you have a few options here, lots of options. Sizes of your doors and windows. Take the width and the height and how many sets. Whatever, you put 4 sets or 2 sets, no problem. Put their external CMU blocks, which means I program it because once we have this one, once the doors external, it will automatic deduct to the area of your walls to calculate the CMU blocks. If some doors are internal, so it will also automatically deduct the internal partitions area.